In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatPDF to chat with any PDF, be it a single PDF or multiple PDFs, and be able to derive value from them, or be able to write topics or write up your research papers using this particular tool. So to start, you access it by coming to chatpdf.com. It's a free tool. You can have access to it. You can upload the document, or you can upload a folder containing the PDFs that you have. So when I have this PDF, let's say I have these two PDF documents. This one, I can hold down the control key and hold down these three PDFs. I can just import them. And once you import them, you can be able to see that this is the paper which just imported. This is one of it. And then this is the overview of what the paper is all about. Okay, this paper talks about different ways to model flood risk. Okay, so you can come down here and you can go ahead and say, can you give me, and once you hit an enter, this is going to read the paper and it's going to give you a quick summary of what the paper is all about. And that is it, very fast. You can select any of the sources and you'll be able to see the same thing. You'll be able to see what you can do with it. This is the paper directly, and you can come over here and click to maybe how are the main challenges of flood modeling in developing countries. So you can just click on this, and this is going to review based on this source. It is going to give you a result. You can see even with the sources that it has cited from the paper. Okay, so you can see so many of them. You're free to copy this and share with your friends, or and even use it on another document. So you can go ahead and chat, ask any question that you want, and then you'll be able to comprehensively have your chat with your PDF document. This is completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.